Grepr is an intelligent observability pipeline that orchestrates data between infrastructure, applications, and observability vendors. Grepr deploys between your agents and observability platform, automatically transforming, aggregating, analyzing, and routing your observability data. Our customers use Grepr to slash observability costs by 90%, store data long-term, and unlock observability data for business reporting and AI. Grepr uses machine learning and a rules engine to automatically detect similarities in the data streams. Noisy data is kept back with only summary information forwarded to your observability platform. Unique messages will be passed straight through. With just a simple change to the observability agent configuration, the data is directed to Grepr to be processed before the optimized results are forwarded to your existing observability platform. Reductions of 90% in data volume significantly lower the operating cost of your observability platform. I know you're worried about losing vital data from your observability platform. Don't be. All data received by Grepr is retained in low-cost storage, enabling you to keep more data for longer at a lower cost. The retained data can be queried using your favorite language, making it easy to extract business intelligence. When your engineers need to investigate an incident, the relevant data can be quickly backfilled from Grepr to your observability platform. There is no disruption to existing workflows. Your engineers have all the data they need in the tools they know and love. Interested to learn more about how you could be saving on your observability costs? Would you like to keep more observability data for longer at a lower cost? Contact Grepr for a demo or sign up for a free trial. Go to our website, grepr.ai, or scan the QR code.